When you wake up in the morning and this is your view, what's in your mind? Let's go back to bed. Snow brings a special quality with it, the power to stop life as you know it's dead in its tracks. To appreciate the beauty of snowflakes, it is necessary to stand out in the cold. I love snow, and we only got this once in a year. Let's have fun! Let it snow, let it snow, let it snow. That's my view this morning when I wake up. It's snowing, it's snowing. Ang ganda.
This is rain. We're here in Palmdale, California. It's snowing outside. So me and Nina started getting dressed up to go outside. Wait here, Raven. Good boy. Good boy.
Be
No.
good boy.
No, look. This is what we're doing. Wait. We'll put it on your collar. Right here. Let me put this on. Good boy.
Oh my god, you're so
good,
sweet,
Good
Naman.
boy, Rick.
You're so good boy.
Can I put this one on? Huh?
One more.
You're not going anywhere?
No?
Move your body a little bit. Sit up a little bit.
Sit up.
There you go.
Your stomach in.
Such a good boy, Rick.
That is your snow coat. Oh my god, it's so pretty.
There you go.
Beautiful rain.
Good boy, Ray. Okay. You got
Okay.
it all on.
Let's go. Let's go. Daddy will video us.
Let me get the hook and the collar.
Let's go in front. Let's start flaking there.
You're going to go back already.
Oh, come here. This is my front yard. As you can see, the flakes are falling down. That's the snow. It's my front yard. Rain.
Oh,
Aww.
no, I don't know if I like
No?
it.
No? It's okay, love. It's
No. I
okay.
want to go back.
Wanna go back?
Let's see where he
Come here.
goes. He's
No.
Right back
I will
inside.
carry you. Come here. Hold the camera. Take a video of us. No.
he was. He's already heading back in.
See the snow?
He's looking. I don't know.
See the snowflakes.
He doesn't like the snow. You put him down. Usually you put him out here and he'll go running everywhere in the yard and doesn't want to go back inside. Now you put him down and he heads right for the door.
Go inside. We're going inside.
Hey, put him down. Put him down. Let him watch. Let's see where he goes. See, right away. Right towards the cover. He's going fast too. He never goes that fast. He's got his little house coat on. He's going right where it doesn't snow. He goes right around the corner.
It's snowing. Wow. It's beautiful. Did you see that? It's my snow. I'm with my snow gear. I'm in the house. Nandito ako ngayon sa Little Rock. And it's snowing all over. Wow. See that? That's nice. 2 inches lang. 2 inches ang kapal ng snow. But you can see the flakes. It's flowing. Wow. A lot of snow.
Now we got a snow cat.
We're going home. We're going home.
He stepped.
See that? Going down.
His foot stinks in the snow.
Run, sweetheart, run.
Even with his little weight.
This one, oh, that's a beautiful one. Run. You will take
gotta
Patty?
pee. Oh, that's what he wanted to see.
Okay, that's okay, love.
Rain, you're being filmed peeing. It's embarrassing.
He's peeing.
That's what he wanted. That's why he was meowing
Yeah,
in
he
the car.
was meowing in the car because he wants to take a pee. Okay, love. Get cat in the snow. Cat in the snow. All right. All right. Good boy.
Now he's going fast.
He's going fast because he knows we're going to the car. It's all white. This is the snow from Thursday, and now it's Saturday. So it's been 2 days. It's not that melting all over.
And it won't happen again for a lot of years.
Yeah, the last snow that before this was 2011. It's not been even. Look at the mountain. Go to the passport, love. And this is my cat with us. Oh wow. Go there. There's some.
Let's try.
No,
We're not going to get stuck because it's uphill. Or we'll see if we can even get up there.
you can't. No. Don't try.
We're just going to try it. See what happens.
Just here.
We'll go over the bump.
Maybe he's sick.
Yeah, it's thicker snow.
Wow. Yeah, we have no idea what's in here, Keith.
Not much snow left.